A drone camera captured stunning moments from the volcanic eruption on August 25th in Iceland. The vivid images showcase the fierce power of untamed nature. An incident occurred when the waters of the Carmel River burst into the sea, creating a spectacular scene. The recorded footage highlights the power of nature in the United States. If you found this moment impressive, don't forget to like the video. You can see a torrent carrying rocks and debris resembling blocks of concrete. This video, recorded in France, demonstrates the terrifying strength of nature. A large and violent tornado struck several areas in Waterloo, USA. This tornado brought devastating power, causing severe damage. Leave a comment if this is the most recent time you've seen it. Dramatic images of wildfires were captured by cameras in Hancock, Kentucky, USA. The scenes reveal the fierce destruction caused by the flames. A resident in Nashville, USA, recorded a hailstorm right at their home. The video shows hailstones falling with intense and terrifying force. The severe flooding in Junagadh, India, was captured in vivid detail. The raging waters swept away everything in their path, creating chaotic scenes. Thank you for watching the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest videos.